Looking for a natural immune booster to fight off colds and flu? Keep a jar of honey-infused garlic in your fridge. It's cheap, easy to make, and together honey and garlic make the perfect combination for helping you stay well. Both garlic and honey have thousands of years of history as medicinal remedies, and make a very potent combination together when consumed. Why should you try honey-infused garlic? Garlic benefits you the most as a raw food, not as a supplement. Even if you love garlic, it's almost impossible to consume enough raw garlic. By combining the honey and garlic, the intensity of the garlic flavor mellows, making it more tolerable to eat raw garlic in high quantities. The honey is also loaded with health benefits, and the two together can keep your immune system operating at its best. Health benefits of honey-infused garlic. The two ingredients together become a powerhouse to boost your immune system to fight off colds, allergies, and flu. Here are health benefits of the honey and garlic. Combine the two ingredients and you've got a natural remedy to strengthen the immune system. Why honey? Honey is an antioxidant that is antibacterial and antimicrobial. It's loaded with vitamins and minerals and almost acts as a multivitamin itself. It can be used to help boost energy, boost the immune system, reduce allergies, soothe coughs, soothe sore throats, fight infections, and prevent cancer. Why garlic? Garlic is great for its anti-inflammatory benefits, and it is antibacterial and antiviral. Garlic contains high amounts of manganese, calcium, phosphorus, selenium, vitamin B6 and vitamin C. Use garlic to decrease blood pressure, improve cardiovascular health, lower total cholesterol, prevent cancer, and metabolize iron.